Hej. Har du spist chokolade? Kan du nikke? Kan du nikke? Kan du ryste på hovedet? Kan du ryste på hovedet? Sienna? Kan du gøre sådan her? Mwah! Mwah!
Take a picture now.
Here, Jake. It's a little film, Jake. Do you want to say something? What have you done today?
That's what I say.
Okay, I don't think people want to see your tongue. Say hi.
Okay, hi.
My name is Jake.
Hate.
What else do you want to say?
Hate. I love you, Pooh.
Have you had a fun day?
Pooh.
What are we doing right now?
Pooh. Eating dinner, Poopy.
Are you a nice boy?
Pa.